Good morning, Small Town Solutions, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're making homemade spicy garlic dill pickles. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to combine equal amounts of vinegar and water. I'm making a double batch here, so I'm going to use 2 cups of vinegar and 2 cups of water. I used warm water, just makes it boil quicker. So you want to bring those to a boil on your stove over low to medium heat. Next, you're going to add table salt. You can use kosher salt or any other kind of salt you want, but you're going to need 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, or salt, whatever kind of salt you want, as well as 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. You could use brown sugar. I've never tried it, but you can go ahead and just use regular old sugar for this. Next, I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. This is optional. I'm making spicy pickles, so I went ahead and got spicy ingredients, but you don't have to do that. I also went ahead and added black peppercorns, uncracked, of course. Go ahead and bring this to a rolling boil to make sure that all of your sugar and salt have dissolved. Looks pretty good to me. We're going to move on to the next step. So here I am putting the cucumbers into the jar. I have 2 kinds of cucumbers here. 2 little ones, the medallions that are doing right now, are from the store. I just cut them into medallions. And then these ones are from my garden. Again, this is an experiment. Now I'm going to add a little bit of fresh dill and some garlic. You might want to use real garlic. I didn't get as much of the garlic flavor as I'd hoped, so real garlic would be a good idea. Now we're going to go ahead and add the cooled down brine. Make sure that brine is cold as ever, because you don't want to cook the cucumbers at this point, or that is going to defeat the purpose. Excuse the mess. Next, I added some jalapenos for extra heat. This is totally optional. And then you just top it off with the rest of the chili flakes and peppercorns from your brine. Go ahead and put the lids onto these jars. Give them a good shake and put them into your fridge. It's going to take about 2 weeks to make these. Make sure you shake them every now and again as you're in the fridge, just to make sure everything gets stirred up. That was when I made the pickles, and this is 2 weeks later. Well, Small Town Solutions, it's been 2 weeks now, and our pickles are ready. So, earlier, just for a quick recap, we took some pickles. I had some out in the garden, and I had some that I store-bought, and we went ahead, and we tried making pickles out of this. I showed you guys how to do the brine. It's been 2 weeks, so let's see how these guys turned out. We're going to start with the store-bought ones that I've cut into little medallions. These are jalapeno, garlic, peppercorn, some chili flake. They're spicy. So, like I said, it's 2 weeks. Let's see how they turned out. Ooh, boy, are they strong. The jalapenos are floating right here on the top. Over the 2 weeks, I have every now and again gone ahead and shook them up, just so that everything's all put together. But as you can see, they sure have changed color. So let's find one. I don't really want a jalapeno. Come on, out of the jar. There we go. There you go. It's changed color. Smells good. Oh yeah. The dill. Oh wow, the dill is beautiful. That's amazing. A little spicy. Not as spicy as I thought it was going to be, but a very nice flavor and still crunchy, which I'm really, really happy about. So, like I said, that's the store-bought cucumbers that I've just sliced up into medallions. Let's go ahead over here to the garden ones that I used. Give it the smell. Same thing. Wow, that one's even spicier. I didn't think I used any more or less than I did that one, but whatever. So let's grab one out of here. As you can see with these guys, I just sliced them into thinner strips of pickle, or into cucumber, sorry. And again, how do they taste? These ones are spicier. Much spicier. Wow. Really good again. I would suggest, I noticed this right away, that. I didn't peel the cucumbers from the garden. I didn't peel either of them, actually. But the pickles, or the cucumbers from the garden, sorry, the skin seems to still be quite tough, almost like more crunchy. If you like your pickles crunchier, you can leave the skin on. I would suggest the next time I make them, I might remove the skin, but this was a massive success. So I'm very happy with how these guys turned out. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks, so not a lot of time. The recipe is very easy. Like I said in the video, earlier in this video, I go through it all with you guys. So if you guys have any comments or questions, if you guys have made these yourself, let me know. Or if you got some other recipes for homemade pickles, let me know. If anybody's brave enough to eat the jalapenos, you're not going to see this guy doing that. Maybe one day. But anyways, other than that, this was a great recipe. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and see you again next time here on Small Town Solutions. Have a great afternoon.